Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
So your question is regarding the Dor O Matic 250 series rebuilt floor closer.
Correct.
Okay. So you've got a current price that you see there. On the right-hand side of the website, does it say buy now or add to cart?
Add to cart, order options.
Okay. So above there, the first option that you see, select rebuilt service. So if you've got that drop down, you've got two options: repair, where you send us yours, we repair it and send it back to you, or the exchange, where there is a substantial ad up front of the price that you see listed there. And the substantial ad up front is to ensure that you send the old one back. There's a 40%, or at least currently, a 40% core refund back when you send the old one back.
It's almost the full amount. It's $570, it says.
Yeah, so basically doubles the cost.
Right. And then what I'm getting at, okay, I got to send you double the price, then you're going to ship it to me. I definitely would do the exchange rather than the repair. And there's going to be freight involved shipping to me, and then I'm going to have to pay freight to return it to you, or you're going to cover the freight both ways?
No, you'll pay freight both in both instances.
Okay. Well, how much is your rebuild? It doesn't really say.
This is a rebuild.
No, I mean if I just take it out and send it to you to be rebuilt.
Oh yes, sir. Of course. So then you're at the original price of the item plus that shipping charge, plus the shipping. You send it back to us, and then we send it back to you. You do ultimately end up paying to move it both ways.
Right, and it's still the $587.
Indeed, yes, sir. If you can take that door out of commission, by all means do that. Or if it really doesn't matter and you've got one to send back to us, I mean, it does matter in the sense that it's not a full credit of the initial upfront, but it's relatively close.
Okay. So in the event that they don't want to go through all that aggravation, I just end up changing it out to a whole surface mount closer. Do you buy these things, or you have plenty? You're not interested in buying them?
We don't buy them, and because the repair is a sister yet company to ours, yet separate, when I've asked that question in the past, it's quite frankly, it's a bit insulting what they offer for this material when you consider the fact that their business model stops if they don't have any more of these to rebuild.
Right.
It's
yeah, they probably offer you $50 or $100 or something stupid like that.
I've seen it a lot less than that. Like
really?
It's not even the cost to ship them back.
Oh, that's ridiculous. Yeah, because I actually, we've been in the business over 30 years, and I saved some, like the Jacksons. You can't do nothing with that, but I got like an old, it's an 808 with a 105 open that you can't even get that anymore. With rebuild companies look like they'd be fiending for them kind of things. But if that's the case, don't even pay to cover the freight to ship it back to them. It ain't worth the trouble.
Indeed.
Okay, so I got to cover my costs. I'm looking at $1,000 probably by the time I mark this thing up, cover all my freight costs. I'm guessing I'm on the way in Louisiana, so to send it to you, I'm probably looking at $30, $40 each way.
Yeah, I would say $25 for sure. Yes, sir.
All right. Well, I appreciate your time. I'm going to give the customer some options and see what they want to do.
Thank you for calling. Bye-bye. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.